Salad dressing and an easy salad recipe. With summer approaching, salads become that easy dish you can prepare to accompany any main course, or eat on their own for a light and quick lunch. Independently of what you eat them with, the most important thing is that they taste delicious. Today we will share with you a simple, easy salad dressing that can give lots of flavor to even the simplest salads, including the one in this recipe. Ingredients: 1 plate rucola, 8 cherry tomatoes, a few shavings Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, a generous amount of dry oregano, 2 tablespoons great quality extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon delicious Italian balsamic vinegar, half a ciabatta bread or your favorite bread. Preparation. Start by preparing the salad dressing. Add 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar in a bowl. To that add the 2 tablespoons olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, and add a generous dash of dry oregano. Mix well and set aside. Place your washed rucola in a plate. Then cut the cherry tomatoes in half and layer them on top of the rucola. Take the Parmesan and using a potato peeler, cut some long and thick Parmesan shavings to cover the salad. Season the salad with salt and pepper. And pour the salad dressing on top. Serve with some ciabatta bread for a light lunch or a fish or meat of your choice. If you are vegan, you can serve this with marinated tofu or grilled seitan.